So guys, the Catizen mining airdrop is going to be listed on 20th September, 10 a.m. UTC. In this video, I'll be telling you the live process of the withdrawal, how exactly you're going to withdraw your CATI token. The good news is that even if you're in the silver level, you're still going to get the airdrop. So, anyone who hasn't joined it yet, you can still join and book profits. The link will be in the description and also in our Telegram channel. Catizen is going to be listed on all the top exchanges, including Binance and Bybit. I'll be showing you the live process of how you can withdraw and book your profits. Starting from 14th September, it will stop, and you can claim your token. On the 20th of September, you can withdraw and book your profits. We've been continuously reminding you guys to join this airdrop since it launched. We knew it had direct backing from Binance, and the teams and backers were very strong. Now, Bybit has opened the spot, and soon all exchanges will be doing the same. I'll be guiding you step by step. As you can see, Bybit has opened the spot account for CATI USDT on the TON network. Once you open your Catizen mining board, you'll be shown an airdrop option. This option is currently removed due to the load on the application, but it will return by the 14th. As soon as it comes back, follow the steps below to get your withdrawal. First, you need to click on the airdrop section, which will show your allocation of tokens. Then, you'll see two options, on-chain or a direct withdrawal to the exchange. I personally recommend choosing the exchange option because there won't be any gas fees involved. If any gas fees are required, we'll cover that, so don't forget to hit the like button. We're aiming for 2,000 likes on this video. After selecting the exchange, you'll see options for various exchanges. I recommend Binance or Bybit. For exchanges not available in your country, choose the ones that are, and then you can proceed with the withdrawal. For example, I'll be using Binance, but if it's not yet open, you can go to Bybit. In Bybit, you'll go to the Asset section, select Deposit, then choose CATI and the TON network. Enter your Binance UID and the CATI deposit address with the memo. Once that's done, the tokens will be sent to your Bybit account. You'll be able to see them before the withdrawal on 20th September, 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Now, if you're wondering whether to hold or sell your Catizen airdrop, or if you want to know the price prediction, let me know in the comments. Based on my experience, prices will be attractive. There are only 1 million active users in Catizen, which means less selling pressure and more profit for early holders. I'll make a detailed video about price predictions and strategies for holding or selling if you guys want. Stay connected with us by subscribing and joining our Instagram and Telegram, all the important updates. For those who haven't joined the airdrop, you still have 3 days to do so. Everyone from Silver to Royal League will be getting airdrop tokens. However, the distribution will vary depending on your league, with Royal League receiving a larger share. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.